National Weather Service in Denver, Colorado has issued a flash flood warning for.
That's you. 10 jumping jacks, you win your next race. Molly got some learning to do, but all in all, you know what? I'm proud of her. She done great. Let's get over heavy ready, get Quinn up here. Where's Lancaster Park then?
Yeah, he was right down here behind me.
But the night's not over.
The National Weather Service in Ruskin has issued this is a test message, tornado warning for all counties in west central Florida. This is a test message until 11:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. This is a test message. This is the practice tornado warning for the statewide tornado drill. There is no severe weather occurring at this time. A tornado warning means a tornado has been sighted or has been indicated by National Weather Service radar. If this were an actual warning, you would be given official information about the location and path of this storm. At this time, please review your tornado preparedness plans. This is a test message.
Every time you buckle up in that car, tonight might be the night that you die.